Hey everyone, welcome back to Touch Trove, your go-to spot for the latest tech updates and smartphone leaks. Rocket. And today, we've got some exciting news straight from the heart of the tech world. Samsung is preparing for a massive mid-year event, and it's coming sooner than expected. According to a new report from the Jungang, Samsung is planning to launch the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7 in early July 2025. And here's the twist, this year's Unpacked event is coming back to New York City. Yes, you heard that right. After switching things up with events in Seoul and Paris, Samsung is reportedly returning to the Big Apple, the same city that witnessed the launch of the Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Flip 4. Now let's talk dates. Last year, the foldables were launched on July 10th, but this year, sources say Samsung is pushing things even earlier, likely in the first week of July. However, the timing might be tricky due to the July 4th holiday in the US, so we might only see a 1 or 2 day shift forward. Still, an early launch means Samsung is eager to get ahead of the curve and possibly ahead of competitors. But that's just the beginning. Samsung isn't just launching two foldable phones. The Fold 7 and Flip 7 are expected to be part of a much bigger lineup. This upcoming Unpacked event could also feature the latest Galaxy Watch, Samsung's highly anticipated Android XR headset, and even sneak peeks at two rumored devices, the Galaxy Z Flip FE and Samsung's experimental trifold foldable. That's right, we might finally get a glimpse of the triple-folding smartphone Samsung has been quietly working on. All eyes will definitely be on New York City this July as Samsung continues to push boundaries in foldable tech, wearables, and next-gen immersive experiences. With these bold moves, it's clear that Samsung is not just updating devices, it's reshaping the future of mobile technology. But before we get to July, Samsung has something else lined up? Mark your calendars for May 13th, because that's the expected launch date for the upcoming Galaxy S25 Edge. The hype around this device is already building, and we'll be covering it all right here on Touch Trove. So, what are you most excited about? The Fold 7's rumored 200MP camera? The XR headset? Or maybe that trifold device that could change the game completely? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that notification bell so you never miss a major tech drop. We've got tons of Samsung content coming your way, from feature breakdowns to comparisons and real-time leaks.